Overview of business management. 1. Structure of management functions. Corporate activities are divided into business activities and business management activities. Business activities indicate the setting down of company policies and objectives and implementing measures for them. Those measures take form such as the establishment or the abolishment of the organization and the appointment of upper-level executives. The objective is the adjustment of the corporation to changes in the external environment. Business management activities involve following the business policies and objectives that have been established. They also involve the managing and controlling of the work activities of the corporation. Management here indicates the planning of all activities and controlling their implementation. 2. Business management methods. Both business activities and business management activities are done to set up the objectives of planning activities and business activities to control their implementation in a narrow sense. Because of this, both activities use the common techniques to implement them. From the standpoint of business management theory, the theoretical background of the scientific methods such as the scientific management theory of Taylor and the human relations theory of Mayo and others, have been applied to those activities that often depend on the abilities of the individual manager in order to make the practice of management easier. Scientific business management is roughly divided into management planning and business administration. (3) Management planning. A. Purpose of management planning. Management planning describes strategies based on profit-loss to maintain earnings and gain profits. Based on this, the corporation effectively uses people, materials, money, time and information to get profits. In order to get the profits needed to implement new strategies, cost and sales need to be controlled. In management planning, the business principles and operational policies, business principles, are indicated in documentation. And the actual objectives such as sales plan, purchase plan, and fund plan are expressed in monetary amounts. B. Structure of management planning. Management planning is made up of the following elements with their respective relationships as indicated in the illustration. 1. Business principles, documented. 2. Operating principles, documented. 3. Analysis with regard to the business environment, documented. 4. Long-term basic policies. 5. Fiscal year basic policies, the major items are documented. 6. Individual policies and concrete objectives for the fiscal year. Documented in words and numbers. Things like organizational charts are more understandable if expressed in graphs and tables. 7. Budget tables for each fiscal year, profit and loss fundraising amounts, monetary amounts, etc. are clearly expressed in numbers.